According to Google, ad rank is a value that's used to determine your ad position, where ads are shown on a page relative to other ads, and whether your ads will show at all. There are many factors that come into play when it's time to calculate the ad rank, which include your bid auction, the auction time, the landing page experience, the context of the person's search, like the location, the device, the time of the search, and the impact of ad extensions. Google's main goal is to provide all of its users with great experience so they have a reason to continue to use the platform. Every time one of your ads competes in an auction, Google adds real-time measurements of expected CTR, ad relevance, and landing page experience that, together with your bid and other factors, produce a score called ad rank. It is this auction time ad rank, not the quality score, that estimates what you see in your account, that determines where your ad appears on the page and whether it appears at all.